is the Ryobi 13-inch lawnmower. It's my wife mowing the yard with it. If you can hear me, that means it's pretty quiet. It cuts really decent. You can see the difference in the grass here. You can definitely see the difference from there to there. Cuts really low. You can cut anytime, day or night, it seems. Battery lasts about 45 minutes to an hour. Bag fills up pretty decently and it mulches if not. Saw that there was a thing about if you review this you can win a gift card or something like that. So this is my entry, or our entry. Ryobi 18 volt 13-inch lawnmower. It's actually really decently quiet. Most times these dogs over here freak out. Instead, they're just like super curious of what we're doing. So, thanks for watching.